Zyrex ZA987, and let me show you how to accomplish here entering the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and tap OK until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let me here enter the recovery mode and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the no command picture pops up, so it means that now you need to hold down the power key. And now just open the Android system recovery. Here you've got some information about your system. You can navigate here by using volume down and confirm options by pressing volume up. And here you can apply update from ADB. You can apply update from SD card. You can also update from cache. You may accomplish the hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset. You can wipe cache partition, backup user data, or restore user data. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the reboot system now, press volume up to confirm it, and the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. So let's wait a few seconds until the home screen pops up. Excellent, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.